everyone's got a website. Now what you need to do is now you have the window in the web for them to contact you. Now it's the next step. Well, we need to make sure we contact them.
Sure. So you're saying that the cookie cutter approach of a lead coming in and then that triggering a 5 email sequence series is an old school mindset?
I think that's the minimum you should have.
Okay.
Okay. So so that's the basic model that you, as a minimum, should have as a business owner. It's like I'm comparing these days marketing automation with websites.
Okay.
Right. 10 years ago, everyone needed a website.
Yep.
Right. Or everyone started getting into, oh, I need a website. I need a presence. I need a website. I need a presence. Now everyone's got a website. Now what you need to do is now you have the window in the web for them to contact you. Now it's the next step. Well, we need to make sure we contact them.
Sure. Okay,
so that's the minimum you should have, is the welcome sequence to contact people. But then from there...
So that's from your contact us page.
Contact us page.
They submit an inquiry, hi, I'm interested in your services.
Yep.
And then that triggers a welcome sequence.
Welcome sequence.
And what would that typically involve?
Typically involve is similar to what you have. What you have is a great welcome sequence. You tell them about yourself. You tell them about the business. You tell them why they should open your emails. And what you want to do in that welcome sequence is pre-framing. Every email needs to pre-frame what is coming next. And that's where you're always strategizing into being ahead of your customer. And knowing your customer is key.
Okay.
Okay. So knowing your customer really well and knowing which path you want to send them to, that's what is critical for that welcome sequence. If you're sharing your videos, then you need to mention in those emails, I'm going to be sharing with you a weekly email with my videos.
So typically, if someone inquires via our website, we pretty much just get on the phone to them that day, within the hour, within 30 minutes. So is there kind of a conflict between jumping on the phone and then
not at all
having a welcome series after? Okay.
Not at all. Not at all. The way I see it is, and there's the studies about this. I can't remember the sources at this point in time, but there's the studies about how many touches you need for someone to buy off you, and it's I believe right now it's about 13 touches that they need. So the phone call is 1 touch. The thank you email from the website to them is 1 touch. The welcome sequence with 5 emails or 4 emails, that's some of the touches.
Yeah.
Plus the other follow-up calls that they're going to be doing.
The meetings,
etc. All of those are touches. If you add them up, I'm pretty sure you're going to find that there's about 10 different touches that they get.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. All
10 to 13 different touches.
Sure thing.
So, so yeah, to answer your question, there's no conflict, and that's where you want to strategize. Where do you want to automate?
Okay.
According to the process that you follow.
Sure.
So automation is fit to the business system itself. We're just putting technology on top of it.
Okay.
The way I say it is nurturing is about your personality.
Okay.
Okay, because they want to work, or the business personality, right? As small business owners, we all put our personality into the business, right? And that's why people do business with us, is because of us.
Yes.
Most of the time.
Yes.
Right? Or they know that that your eyes are on that because they trust you, they trust the business that you're running, they trust your staff because of you most of the times.
Okay.
Okay. So what we need to automate is them trusting you from those emails.
Gotcha.
So you're
it's about building
trust.
That's
exactly.
Primary objective.
Primary objective is building trust.
Nurturing is building trust.
Exactly.
Understood.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yes, nurturing is important. What would it be on those emails? Again, is your personality, and every business has a secret sauce or their own way to do things. That's what you want to share on that welcome sequence, on that nurturing.